Hi, this is the Premier Running Tool. This PRT is designed with safety and efficiency in mind. This tool is designed with full string capability, including simultaneous pickup, run, rotation, and reciprocation for your casing running operation. Features include fail-safe wedge grip slips, which ensures 100% grip on pipe with an integrated hydrolock design. Even if hydraulic pressure is lost, it eliminates the risk of pipe being released. A high-speed hydraulic swivel reduces pressure and heat during rotation and allows for higher RPMs. This is the Premier 350-ton cement swivel. It contributes to agile cementing solutions for an ever-changing market. This tool offers versatility and flexibility by being compatible with all CRT and top drive systems. The Premier no-leak swivel design allows for a maximum rotating speed of 80 RPMs and a safe working pressure of 10,000 PSI. Couple this with the Premier running tool and achieve a seamless cementing operation. For more information, visit our website or contact one of our representatives to tell you more.